ఇప్పుడు మన ఈ ఈవెంట్కు ఎంతో ఫైనాన్షియల్ సపోర్ట్ ఇచ్చిన స్పాన్సర్ని పిలవడానికి విజయ్ పిట్ట గారిని కోరుతున్నాను.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి. Thank you all for coming here and thank you for being part of our celebrations. You know, as you might have figured out by now, this event has been organized in a very low-cost manner, where it's funded by a lot of sponsors. Without their help, without their support, and without their cooperation, we wouldn't have been able to provide you at no cost, almost zero cost to you. And to organize things like this costs a lot of time, money, and effort. There are 120 volunteers working behind the scenes. There are 40 organizations supporting. There are more than 15 sponsors, maybe 20 sponsors. I will thank the top 12 that is listed here. I would like to thank especially NATA founder Dr. Paila Mallareddy. I also want to thank ATA founder Hanmanta Reddy Garu. I would like to thank Omega Travels, Miss Trupti Dikshit. She's a special friend of hers. She helps a lot of us anytime we need tickets to India 1 hour before the flight. She's very cooperative. We would like to give her a big hand and would like to welcome her to the stage. She is one of the unsung hero of Indian community. She takes care of a lot of our flying needs. We'll also like to thank Mr. Vishnu Batula. He runs a company called Batula & Associates. They are one of the top CPA firm in Dallas with multiple offices all over the Dallas Metroplex. So I'd like to invite him, Mr. Vishnu Batula. He's a very, very special friend of mine and ours. He's one of the most warm-hearted person. And he sponsored this Telangana event. A lot of people may not know, he's actually from Nellore. But still he's a friend of us. He loves us and he thinks that no matter what, all the Telugu are one and he wants to be part of this event. I'd like to invite him again on the stage, Mr. Vishnu Batula. I'd like to invite Mr. Sudhir Pai, my tax filer. I'd like to invite, I'll run through the list fast because that's what they're telling me, the guys next to me. I'll invite Mrs. Mahinder Kamireddy. She runs a company called RSM Technology Solutions and she is the another unsung hero for us. She pretty much is underwriting half of the cost of this event. I'd like to invite Mrs. Mahinder Kamireddy. I'd like to invite next Mrs. Uma Gaddam. She is the CEO of a company called IT Spin. She is another unsung hero. She has been very, very helpful. She has been a phenomenal motivation for all of us. I'd like to again invite Mrs. Uma Gaddam. I'd like to invite Mr. Chandra Khaja of United IT. I'd like to invite, of course, a special invitation for Dr. Anita Baireddy. She runs a group called Carewell Kidney Doctors. She is my wife. I'm biased, but I would love to invite her on stage as well. I'd like to invite Mrs. Indira Eleti. She's again the champion that keeps Ajay Reddy on track. And I'd like to invite Mrs. Indira Eleti. And she represents Voice XNet. You know, Ajay Reddy is the Pedanna of Telangana in Dallas. He's our godfather, and Indira Eleti is our big Odina. I'd like to call Mr. Jagpal Naini. He is one of the earliest Cantex president. I think he was president in mid-90s. And we have, as a Telangana youngsters, the younger generation, we love to invite him on stage and we are proud of him, what he has done for the community. Mr. Jagpal Naini. And last but not the least, Mr. Sanjay Anand. Again, thank you all for all the sponsors. Please take a moment to clap. We give them a big clap for all the help they have done for us. Without them, we couldn't have done this. Thank you all.